Hello guys, what's up? This is Abu Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you about AI. It's exclusive for you. So if you are a new viewers in the channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on a notification bell. This AI tool give you multi-purpose use. You are able to create YouTube video, Facebook video, subtitle, AI, copywriter. Example of you want to write a script, this is possible. You want to write a advertisement, this is possible. Presentation, customer support, postcard. Lots of service available in this website. So in this video, I'm exclusively introduce you AI artist. You are able to create text to image or art exclusive and absolutely free for join. So this link I will let in the description below, then click here, then you are redirect to this website. So I'm going to here, then I type one is cool. Then I want to click just create, then wait and see the power and magic of the tool. Then you are shocked. Oh, you are shocked, right? This is amazing. So I want to change this picture and I'm going to another one. Then I'm going to another. Wow, this is really nice. Then these three pictures are really nice one by one. So if you want to create others photo, then just click here. Then what type of photo you want to right click here. Just I want to create a man staying here savage alone. Just click here, create. Then wait a few seconds, and you can see the power of the tool. Wow! You can see this tool create a three specific photo for only for me. It's wow. I want to rate this website 10 out of 10 because it's really nice. So if you want to more video about this type of chat GPT, make money online and how to use AI, then comment below. I want to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Tata.